This is Odin's Wolf Survival. Today in the Great Forests of Kansas, I have UCO's Candle Lantern Kit 2.0. Haven't opened this one up. What it is their candle lantern for the tea lights, a bag, and what looks like to be 3 extra candles in the bottom. Okay, so we got a fleece protective bag, screen aluminum, bottom twist to come out to where you can get the candle out to light it, put it back. It has the glass chimney in it, but you got to be careful. You got to be careful of that because a good hard hit will break them. Broke one already, and unlike the big ones, I haven't been able to find where you can get the replacement little glass for it. I'll have to look again. It's been a little bit since I've looked. I don't remember the cost on this. I'll put it below the video, but it doesn't weigh much of anything. Actually kind of cool. Okay, this base with the holder, at least to hold it centered. It won't take a hard bounce. There's just no way it's going to do it. And we got a bit of a breeze today, so whether I can keep it lit while I can get it in there. That's the one nice thing about the lanterns. It blocks the wind a little bit. Because once you get it going, it's at least somewhat protected from the wind. Now they make reflectors and things along that line for the big ones, which I suspect they'll work on the small ones. A little bit of chain or cord, you can hang it inside a tent. These things inside of a tent will provide some heat, 1 candle power, which is about, I think it's 150 BTU maybe, I think. I don't remember exactly. It's not very much. So, that mess of people thinking that they're going to heat their house with 4 tea candles and a couple of clay pots is just a crock, because that doesn't provide enough heat to do much of anything. Might keep your cup of tea warm if you put it on top of it. It's more a psychological thing than anything else, unless you're in a closet that you're standing up in. But UCO's little candle lantern, I like these things. They're kind of handy. I use them when the power goes out, things along that line. Just they're a neat little item. But thank you for watching. This is Odin's Wolf Survival in the Great Forests of Kansas. Like, subscribe, and share. It helps me out with the channel. And you guys have a glorious day. And thank you for watching.